Your doctor comes to you for an annual checkup. You know things have been a little off lately, but you've been pushing through the aches and pains. He has bad news. Things are not going well. But you don't understand. You've been taking the other doctor's recommendations. How could things be going so badly? Band-aids have been applied to your entire business. Those recommendations from 2010. Your previous technology doctor does not have the team to keep up with the latest technology or cybersecurity recommendations. You have to make changes quickly, or the infection will continue to spread. Okay, that might be a little dramatic, but your business is your baby. Don't you want a second opinion on the health of the technology at your business? We've created an IT checkup specifically to give you a true gauge of the technology on your business, what's going well, and what needs immediate attention. We promise we won't use any pushy sales tactics, and there's no obligation to work with us afterwards. Simply visit our website and book in your IT checkup today.